week in 1969, IBM announced that effective the next January, it would price its software and services separately from hardware, effectively creating the modern software industry. In 1995 this week, for the first time, a U.S. linked up with a Russian space station, Mir. They remained docked until July 4th. The joined craft were visible from Earth as a fast-moving, shiny star and carried a record 10 people, 6 Americans and 4 Russians. In 1998 this week, Windows 98 was released. Microsoft used the slogan, "Works better, plays better." The company said the new operating system would bring an increased computer experience by providing a rich feature set for a wider variety of users than ever before. And this week in 2007, Apple released the very first iPhone, a device that pretty much revolutionized the smartphone industry. That's our look back at This Week in Tech History, brought to you by IFA in Berlin.
IFA, the Global Innovations Show. 6,000 media representatives, 2,600 from abroad. It's IFA time. Meet the official partner of the future in Berlin.
Be sure to visit our website at intotomorrow.com anytime and subscribe to our free podcasts while you're there. We'll catch you next time on This Week in Tech History.